So Twitter is very important process called Twitter schedule post. So using by Twitter, so automatically we can schedule post by Facebook to Twitter also will be accept. It's one option. But I'm not using by Facebook. I'm using only for Twitter. I have scheduled my post by my particular date. So Facebook accept by only for up to 6 months schedule post. But the drawback is there. Any schedule post, link will accept by the particular Facebook to Twitter. Suppose I'm going to schedule by image by Facebook. It not appear by the Twitter wall. So remember, Twitter not accepting by backdate post. Only for schedule post is accept. Facebook accept by the backdate and the schedule post. Suppose you are doing for Facebook and schedule post by backdate. You will show schedule by the on date time for Twitter. So that is called, without using Facebook, how to schedule post on Twitter wall. The use option call is Twitter cards. First of all, I explain by the Twitter cards. Any Twitter cards is enabled by the based on the create by Twitter ads. When payment enabled in your Twitter, automatically enabled by your Twitter cards. That is very important. Twitter card, any new profile user not enabled by proper Twitter cards. When your posting will be successful done, your game will be started enabled by Twitter cards, or else when started by Twitter ads, the Twitter cards will be enabled. So any Twitter cards you can promoting for two options. Website and YouTube is one option, and mobile apps is a second option. So that is called, the option called is select card. This will be not available by the Twitter profile. We can promote images, videos, GIF images, and polls also. But we can't promote by this selected by Twitter cards on your Twitter profile. That is only eligible by the Twitter cards. So first of all, remove the promote only. Select your card. Again, number of posters will be there. Anything you can select here. Any option. So here. Or else create your new card. Same like is a greeting or invitation. This very useful is called, any user we can show by a Twitter wall with the larger thumbnails like this. What is showing here? Promoted. This will be paid ad. When organic will show, will be like this. Two advantages. Twitter card. Schedule your post. Second thing will be email will showing for large thumbnail. So I'm selecting for Twitter card library, and any card library is showing for US time zone, not for Indian time zone. Any Twitter card supported by the US time zone. Your cards will be total 4 types: website card, video card, image app, and a video application. I can promote nothing but YouTube channel and website channel, and video with YouTube channel and website channel. Same like image with app, video with app. 2 types: app promotion, website and YouTube channel promotion. 2 options: with image, with video, your wish. Select your website card, select your image, go to particular documentation, go to particular folder, select your image option, select your crop, leads, copy, link, leads, 2019, copy, click for create. Okay, done by create a card. Now after creating card, you can go for tweet. Select the tweet. Same. copy paste. Select it. So remove the promote only. Why? Because I'm doing for organic post, not for the paid. Paid will be promoted only. So in this one, select this one. What is called schedule. Schedule we can post for n number of months you wish. You can go for this year and also you can schedule your post. So go back. I can schedule post by on the time 13th 5:43 5:34 a.m. This is all I showing for US time zone. Done. Click for schedule. The schedule will be done. Check the schedule tweet. But it will only for scheduled in show by the schedule post option. Schedule. This will be done. So always you can check by your schedule boy after this one. You can check the preview. How people watch your ad. It will be visible by iOS, Android, and the desktop. Total with a large thumbnail. So any certain limited by your Twitter schedule post. Up to year end also you can schedule by your Twitter post. But only one is problem is called up to enable Twitter calls you need the patience required by Twitter any profiles. There is two options based on the tweets, based on the Twitter ads enabled by the Twitter cards. Only Twitter cards you can schedule post by the your Twitter wall. Suppose you're not enabled Twitter cards, you can schedule post by Facebook to Twitter wall. That is called facebook.com/Twitter. You connect by the Facebook page to Twitter wall. This is a very important by the particular option to schedule your Twitter post using by Twitter cards.